Chapter 11, Indian Industries. Nature has given us many resources to fulfill our needs, but these resources cannot be used directly. This is because they are raw materials. We need to convert them into finished goods as bread, cloth, furniture, and utensils. Raw materials are converted into finished goods by an industry. An industry makes different products with the help of machines and manual labor. Industry is the place where goods are produced from raw materials. Requirements of industries. The following factors are required to set up and run an industry: men, materials, money, place and machines. This is shown below in the form of a flowchart. Industry: land, raw materials, labor, capital, machinery, entrepreneurship. Raw materials. Raw materials are the basic commodities which are required in the process of manufacturing products. For example, crude oil is the raw material for petroleum industry and cotton balls are the raw materials for cotton industry. Labor. Labor means mainly the workers in a factory who do physical or mental work. They include laborers, engineers, managers, and clerks. The price of labor is called wages, which depend on individual skill and length of service. Capital. Capital in the popular sense means money. It is needed to run factory. We need money to purchase machinery, land, and raw materials, to pay wages and to meet other expenses. Machinery. A factory needs machines to process the raw materials in order to convert them into finished goods. Machinery includes tools and equipment. Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a human factor. It refers to the creativity and initiatives needed to start as industry and develop new products. It includes the risk taken by the promoters of the factory in starting and running it. Types of industries. Industries can be classified on two bases: source of raw materials and strength of labor. On the basis of source of raw materials. On this basis, industries are of the following four types. Agro-based. These industries obtain raw materials from agriculture. Cotton, textile, jute, textile, sugar, and vegetable oil industries are examples of agro-based industries. Mineral-based. These industries receive their raw materials from minerals. Iron and steel, aluminium and cement industries fall under the category. Pastoral-based. These industries depend on animals for their raw materials. The raw materials include hides, bones, horns, milk, etc. Examples of these industries are bag and suitcase, shoe and dairy industries. Forest-based industries which produce paper, log, rayon, baskets, etc. are examples of forest-based industries. They receive their raw materials from forests. Do you know the first cotton mill was established by Kowasji Nanabhai Dawar in 1854? On the basis of strength of labor, industries are of the following three main types. Cottage industries. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. A few people work with simple tools and use raw materials available nearby. Some such industries are weaving cloth, extracting oil, grinding flour, and making toys, baskets, and leather goods. Small-scale industries. A small-scale industry uses small machines and employs more people than a cottage industry. Its capital investment does not exceed rupees 10 lakh. Small-scale industries make hosiery items, electric and electronic parts, cycle and motorcycle parts. They also make automobile parts, furniture and clothes on power loom, utensils, etc. Large-scale industries. A large-scale industry is a very big manufacturing industry. It employs thousands of workers to produce goods in very large quantities. Huge machines are used for the purpose. Some examples of large-scale industries are textile industry, petroleum refinery, and various types of alloy manufacturing industries.
Shipbuilding and iron and steel factories are also examples of large-scale industries. They play a vital role in national development. Major industries of India. Textile industry is the oldest industry of India. It produces cotton, silk, woolen and synthetic cloth. Textile industries are located in various cities of our country like Ahmedabad and Mumbai, which are famous for cotton industries. Major silk textile mills are located in Bangalore, Mysore, Varanasi, Titagarh and Howrah. Jute mills are located at textiles as well as sports goods are manufactured at Ludhiana, Amritsar and Jalandhar. Iron and steel industry is the basic industry of India. Without iron and steel, we cannot run industries. Iron and steel plants are located at Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela and Salem. Sugar industry is very important in India. India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world. Sugar mills are located in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Tamil Nadu.
Shipbuilding industries are located in Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kochi and Mumbai. Automobile factories are located in Gurgaon, Faridabad, Kolkata, Chennai, Jabalpur, Sanand, Jamshedpur and Nashik. Electronic industries are located at Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Marmagao, Goa, Mumbai and Kolkata. Engineering industries that manufacture tractors, pumps, cranes, telephone and other machinery are situated in Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru and Ranchi. Oil refineries are situated in Assam, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Bihar. Reliance has set up an oil refinery in Jamnagar. Tikamgarh in Madhya Pradesh is famous for paper industries. Information technology industry is a recent development in India. Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, etc. are some of the main centers of this industry. Role of industries in development. India is rapidly developing to become one of the most industrialized nation. The growth of industries is very useful for the overall progress of our country. Industries help us and make our lives comfortable. Indian industries are making all efforts to keep pace with the latest technology. India has emerged as one of the leaders in the fields of computer science, software development, and space research. Industries pollute air, soil, water, and environment. Many developed countries have adopted clean methods of production through the use of hydroelectricity, wind, and solar power. India has also taken many steps to reduce pollution levels. For example, public transport vehicles in Delhi have to run on CNG, not on petrol or diesel. Because of this effort, Delhi has become eco-friendly and clean city. Summing up, an industry converts raw materials into finished goods. Factors of production in industries are land, raw materials, labor, capital, machinery, and entrepreneurship. Industries are classified as agro-based, mineral-based, pastoral-based, and forest-based. They are also classified as cottage, small-scale, and large-scale industries. Cottage industries are set up by people in their homes and use raw materials available nearby. Large-scale industries need trained workers and big machines. The main industries in India are textile, iron and steel, sugar, ships, building, automobile, electronic, engineering, oil refineries and IT industries. Chapter 12.